You look just like your father.
Thanks.
Look, Caleb, there's something I need to tell you.
What is it?
How would you do that? Turn it back! You wasn't even watching it! Turn it back! What the hell?
I can't talk to anyone about us. What's going on? I just feel like a freak, you know?
What the hell did I just say? You were literally sleeping! Do it look like I'm asleep to you? It definitely sound like it! What the hell does that mean? If you think I snore, I don't snore! You need to go and get your ears... Alright, look, the whole neighborhood is fed up. The noise is gonna have to stop.
Did you just break through my window?
Okay, you worried about the wrong thing. Turn the volume on your mommy down. Don't make us have to come back here again.
Us?